Hey folks, how are you doing? Hope you're well. My name is Richard Lake. I do lots of long distance cycling, Audaxes, and I'm now moving into do some ultras later this year with Race of the Netherlands and the Transcontinental race coming up this summer. This is the Tyre Glider. It's a little tool for taking your tyre off the wheel and then putting it back on again. I'm going to show you how to use it. It's really easy, and in the next video I'm going to give you the opportunity to win one of these, the Tyre Glider. Okay, here's my tyre. It's a Hunt wheel, Race Aero Superdurer, and I've got a Continental Gator shell on here, and all I'm going to do is remove it using the Tyre Glider and show you how to put it back on again. So first off, of course, we're just going to let all the air out the tyre as normal. And as per usual, just going to quickly go around, pushing the tyre away from the rim, doing one side like that, and again, quickly on the other. There we go. So this is a Tyre Glider up close. I guess it's kind of a hard plastic. It's a funny old shape, and when I first started using this, could have had a few goes now, it was quite difficult to work out how I was going to take the tyre off, but I'm going to show you how easy it actually is. So we take the newly deflated tyre, and what I'm going to do, just move a bit closer to the camera, this bottom bit here, we're going to scoop the tyre out. So we're going to sit that on there, just going to pull it down into this position here, and I'm just going to move the tyre away from you for a moment just so make it easy for myself. So I'll try and show you. I'm going to push it away from me. This is probably about the hardest bit you need to do. So just go all the way around that, hold it firmly, turn the tyre around, and that's how easy it is to take the tyre off. And again, we're using this edge here to literally scoop it off. So now obviously we want to put it back on again. This is the easy part of this device to work out. You probably work out this bit yourself without watching this video, but can you see this groove on here? We're going to sit that onto the rim, just like that, so it sits into place. That's it, that's all you need to do, don't need to do anything else. And I'm going to try and show you again from this awkward seated position. We're going to simply push this around. That's all we've got to do. Push it all the way around until nearly back at the beginning, and just push, give it a good push. And sometimes you do actually struggle here, so what I'm going to do is move the glide onto the floor, and then the opposite end of the wheel, I'm going to push this around a little bit, come back again, and I finish gliding it around like this, and then it should just bring itself in position. That's it, how easy it is. We'll show you once again. We're going to literally scoop the tyre away from the rim. So pop that into there. Just line up the best we can. And we're going to pull that away towards the camera, towards you. And then I'm going to push, just like that. And there it is. Tyre off the rim. Okay, so let's put it back again, shall we? So once again, we can use this edge here, just like that. We're going to sit that onto there and just simply push away from the body until we've got to that difficult point. Now you can either keep trying to push it around or go to the floor, top of the wheel, just move the tyre around a bit like this, bring it down there, and ta-da! Easy, how easy is that? So I'm going to try and make it a little bit more interesting and see how quickly I can do it. Right, here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, so these are Gator skins from Continental. Now you can use this on any tyres, of course. Some really tough is like the Marathon Plus from Schwalbe. I wish I had some of those to test with me, but unfortunately I don't. So there, pushing it on, get to the difficult point and pop that to the floor, move the tyre around a bit, and push it on, and there, job's a good one. How quick was that? I reckon I could actually go quicker than that. Should we try it again? Okay, 3, 2, 1. All the way round. Okay. Right, back on again. Get to the difficult point. And push it on. So there we go, tyre fully back on the rim, thanks to this little wonder device, the Tyre Glider. Hope that was demonstrated quite easy how it is to put it on. Now I'm going to be giving away one of these Tyre Gliders in the next video, so don't forget to tune in for that. In the meantime, if you want to buy one for yourself, if you want to head over to the website, I'll stick a link below this video. Wow, I think that's going to be entering my box of tricks when I go on long distance rides. I think it's one of those say goodbye to Tyre Levers kind of moments where it's a bit cliche, but yeah, I think this will replace the Tyre Levers. I probably will go out for a few rides with the Tyre Levers until I feel a bit more confident out on the open road. But so far, I'm impressed under these conditions being inside the house. So yeah, wow, game changer. That's it for me, folks. If you've got any questions, don't forget to head down below this video, and if I can, I'll try and answer those questions for you. And I'll see you in the next video when you'll get the opportunity to win one of these Tyre Gliders for yourself. For me, take care. I'll see you again soon. Bye bye.